Hello everyone, welcome to this video. And in this video I will show you how to properly export the package in 2020 Unity. So there has been some changes right here. As you can see, I already changed my packages right here to advanced. To get this, what you gotta go is click settings and advanced project settings and enable preview packages and show dependencies. You have to enable that. And there's another problem. See, there's assets I've downloaded right here. If I click open in Unity, it just doesn't want to open. I've tried this like 2 3 times. It's not opening. So what you gotta do after you enable all that, you will get all the packages you downloaded in the Asset Store in the Google Chrome. Okay, there is that. This is the one I saved right here, and just gotta download. Okay, that's it, and I can import it. That's as simple as this. I'm not going to import it, just want to show you. All right, thanks for watching guys, peace out.